Okay, here's the little Woodmads / FoxAlien machine, ready for its first run. I've plugged everything in. It's got ever so helpful little thingies. Came with a wiring loom and everything, so I've got it plugged into a power board. And okay, well that's plugged in. I don't have a computer hooked up yet, or the offline you can buy an offline controller thing. I don't know. So let's push the home button. Okay, it makes a lot of noise. I guess it's I think I gotta grease these rails, clean them up and grease them up, but okay, there's that. And then okay, I'm hearing noises. Yep, there we go. And that's all I can do. But hey, it didn't blow up, hasn't let out the magic smoke, so good job.